In this video, we are going to talk about how to make money while traveling. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Even while it may seem like a fantasy, for many individuals the ability to travel for as long as they want is a reality. There are several methods to travel and make money even if you don't have a large bank account. It's possible to work in the travel sector after traveling and finding part-time jobs across the world. Ways to make money while traveling. The following are a few ideas for those who want to live a nomadic lifestyle but still need money to support themselves. 1. Teach English. There are several ways to make money teaching English, from a full-time employment, to a part-time gig, to a few extra jobs here and there for extra cash. You may be able to get by as a high-level or even native English speaker in certain countries, but if you want to go further, you'll need a TEFL certification. It is possible to educate kindergarteners, business experts, and everyone in between in a variety of ways and to various age groups. 2. Freelance remotely. When it comes to working as a freelancer, you may be able to either build up a customer list of your own, or use an online marketplace platform to gain employment. Many other abilities may be honed while working as a freelancer, including web and mobile programming as well as content and copywriting. The freedom that comes with working as a freelancer comes with the responsibility of being in charge of your own hours and schedule, as well as ensuring that you have the legal right to work wherever you are and filing your own taxes. Make sure to think about how your abilities and expertise may be used in an online setting, and how you could promote yourself to potential customers. Looking for inspiration? Check out the projects and profiles of available freelancers on well-known marketplaces, such as Upwork and 5R. 3. Earn from a blog. Travel blogging may be the obvious option here, but you may establish and monetize a blog on any subject that interests you. You have to put in a lot of time and effort to build a following, but once you do, it may be a reliable source of money. 4. Sell your photos. With an eye for a shot, even if you don't have your greatest camera, you can still make money. As an alternative, you may make some extra money while traveling by selling your images to stock agencies for royalty payments. To sell actual things, you may put your vacation images into postcards or booklets, and either sell them in person or online. You may also offer portrait packages anytime you're in a new location, from family photographs to professional headshots. There's always a need for excellent photographers. 5. Earn passive income online. It's a great idea to make money online, but it isn't a fast cure for paying for your vacation. If you want to create passive revenue, you'll have to spend a lot of effort putting up a system so that your firm can run on its own while you're out of the picture. It's possible, however, if you put in the time and effort. 6. Create events while you travel. People who plan to remain in one location for a few weeks or months at a time would benefit the most from this choice, although, with a little of ingenuity, it is possible that it might also be implemented online. If you're the kind of person who enjoys bringing people together and getting to know new people, why not organize activities that are beneficial to the community around you? Sell tickets in the neighborhood where you're staying, and have a good time while doing it. Consider activities such as speed dating, networking, dinner clubs, tastings of beer or wine, or even trips focused on certain interests. You have the option of going it alone in this regard and establishing and marketing your items on your own, or you could use a supplier such as Airbnb Experiences to assist you in bringing your offerings to the attention of potential customers. Think about drop shipping enterprises, or if you're a creative, you could sell physical or digital things via sites like Redbubble or Etsy, with little to no continuing work. 7. Translate. If you are able to speak a second language, there will be chances for you to locate translation employment that is compatible with a lifestyle that involves frequent travel. If you're always on the go, you may want to think about starting a translation company or finding work via freelancing networks. Both of these options are mobile friendly. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.